Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Steam. For downloading Steam, you will just need to open your browsers and then type STEAM Steam download. Okay, hit enter, and then you can see the first link here, store.steampower.com. You just need to click here. Okay, now you can see here the official page of Steam, and you just need to click here install Steam. Okay, then click it. Okay, then download it. It's just 1.5 MB. It is the installer. It won't take so long. Okay, now after download it, open the file where you have downloaded it, and here you can see the file here, Steam setup. Then double click on it. Okay, then hit next, and next, install. Okay, now it says here run Steam, and you uncheck these boxes here and hit finish. Okay, now close the browser and all the tabs here. Okay, now here you can see the installer installed here perfectly. Now double click on it. Okay, now it will check the availability for updates. Okay, now it's going to take some time based on your internet connection. So guys, after downloading it, you can see this window here. Then you have to just click on create new account and log into an existing account. So here one thing, if you had already an account, you have to just click in here log into an existing account, and you don't have an Steam account before, so you can click here create a new account. So since I have an existing account, and I'm gonna click here log into an existing account, and then I have to give the account name and password here. The Steam will send you a code, then you have to open your browser again, then you have to just log in your email account that was used Steam account. Here is the code here, and then paste it here, then hit next, then hit finish. Okay, you're all done. Then you can download any games you want from Steam. Okay guys, this is it, and if you are having any trouble to downloading the Steam, you can let me know in the comment box. I'll love to solve that. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.